Hi, I'm David Clemon on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're going to paint a wooden food tray. Okay, now we've got the, I ended up going with the same colors that I went on the inside, kind of this green, blue, but you know, like I said before, you can do whatever you want. So once you get that, the sides finished, I'm going to take the colors I was just using and try and clean finish where the side meets the bottom. And then, once I do that, I'm going to paint the lip. And the lip you can actually do some different stuff with as well. You can do the same thing. You can just kind of do the colors you were doing. Or if you want, and you want to leave some of the wood exposed, like I was showing you before, you can just come in and take the side of the brush and just go around and do little stripes around the edge, and you get to see some of the wood. It kind of gives its own neat design to it, and once you clear coat it, you'll still be able to see the wood. And you can do most of it with just a little bit of paint on your brush, because you're just coming from the side, and the paint always builds up at the back of the brush anyway, so you can actually use that paint that's back there and just kind of do one and move it over, visually about the same if you want. And get a little bit more paint. Go here, go here. And I try to do them about 1/4 of an inch apart from each other. Or sometimes I'll do a real thin one and then a thick one and then a thin one and then a thick one and then a thin one and then a thick one. But it's up to you, and then you can come back in and do these thin ones. And then you have painted the lip of the tray.